so far, all of them are bored by the insect, but the response to the disease it seems to be different among cultivars. And one experiment that I did was to ask for material from California, and they provided me with different species of Persea. And here we have Carula, Borbonia, Pachypoda, etc., Nubigina. And I exposed those to the beetle. The interesting thing is one of those Persea, Flocosas, I couldn't get any infestation on that, and this was 24 hours after infestation. So I think this might be something that we should look more and more at the source of resistance particularly against the beetle. One concern for California is this Laurasia, which is Undularia californica. We expose bolts of California bay laurel in a hammock where the beetle was present, and the number of boars per log was much higher than avocado, even much higher than red bay in that area, which tells me that if this beetle invades California, then they're going to have a problem with that Laurasia. The current research, there's a group of different people working with this. One of them is Paul Kendra. Paul is basically working with attractants, using some plant attractants to see how they can improve trapping for the beetle. Lucas Stelinsky and Beck Alfred is working with repellents and how to repel the beetle and non-hosts, trying to see if there's some volatiles or non-hosts that can be used for them. What I have been doing is working with the life cycle. Again, I say no. The person who's doing this is my student, Wilfried Brar. We are working with the life cycle, rearing and development in different Persea. Basically, what we have found out is that the beetle life cycle can be completed in 30 days in avocado. Regularly will emerge from avocado within 60 days after that. We've been looking at natural enemies in Florida. So far, no really very good candidates. And we have been working with hosts and non-hosts in Taiwan with Dr. Shen Shanglu and also in chemical control. And I'm going to show a little bit more of what this is basically what Dr. Stelinsky is doing. When the beetles are invading the tree, there's an attraction and there is this call for aggregation. But when the beetle is completely full of beetles, then there is a repellent that is regularly expelled from the trees, and that's what he's trying to find what would be the repellent, if there would be specific to the beetle or not. In Kendra, again, he's working with volatiles or compounds found in trees, not only in avocado, but also in lychee, etc. So, just very fast, what I have been doing is to compare different hosts in this as Red Bay and Swan Bay, and I take them to Gainesville, and I do the same with avocado, those that are infested with the beetle, and I'm just going to show you, this is the colony that we have, and we collect samples from all these counties. We see how many beetles emerge from those, and here is our rearing system. But basically, what I want to put your attention, if this is Red Bay, you can see the high proportion of the Red Bay ambrosia beetle compared to other beetles. This is some predators and parasitoids that I don't think are going to be very interesting. But here you can see the high proportion of the Red Bay ambrosia beetle and the low proportion of the other species. Now, if you go to avocado, the proportion of ambrosia beetle to other beetles is completely different. And here I showed the other species of ambrosia beetles that they are popular in avocado, but very few are emerging from avocado. So we are studying this. What is it with avocado that the population is so low, but it still causes the mortality of it? Is this a competition within that host? That's not happening in Red Bay. So the area for research is just starting. And again, in Asia, we are working with hosts of different Lauraceae, Fagaceae. And what we are doing is replacing logs in the forests with the different species, and Dr. Shen Shanglu is collecting them. Anyway, conclusions is that the Persea species in the New World appear to be in danger, and research is needed here. And they're called naive species because, according to the people that have been working for a long time with this beetle, they are just not prepared to live with this beetle compared to the Asian species. And so, but we are just encouraging the